What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be doing something to my interior, and it's the first actual interior mod, and again the interior cleaning video is just getting pending. Actually I'm delaying the interior cleaning part because I have few more stuff left that I need to do to the interior, so I don't want to clean it first then ruin it. So in this video I'll be replacing the gear knob and the gear boot. So you guys have noticed that I've been complaining about the torn shift boot and the gear knob, and if you guys don't know, that Mk1 VRS gear knob is pretty special and it's pretty rare. So I tried finding one out and I couldn't source even one out, not even the second hand ones. The one I have, the insert has few cracks and the paint is chipping off, and also the leather around it, it's peeling off, so I don't want to ruin it more. So I'll take it off and I'll try to refurbish it or get it rewrapped or find that VRS insert. So for till then I'll be replacing it with a gear knob that I have over here. So actually when I decided to change the gear knob, I only had two choices. One was Volkswagen GTI knobs or AUDI S knobs. So the GTI knobs I'm not a very big fan of. They mostly are like dimple shaped, which look like a golf ball to me. Most of them which I saw were like plasticky, fake feeling knobs. So either I like metal ones or leather wrapped ones. Yes, I went with a AUDI S one. So here's it. Let me show you. I've actually opened it. So this is how it came, and so this is how it looks. So here's the middle part and it's leather wrapped. It actually feels very classy and it will fit the car very well. So I have few interior plans that will go well with this kind of gear knob, and this came with the typical VW clip and this retaining clip for the gear boot. So this is how it looks, and for the gear boot I have it here. Let me open it for you. So there you go, this is how it looks. It's supposed to look like this, and by the way, here's the stuff for that interior cleaning video. And now let's go inside the car and let's try this on.
We must pay homage to him.
So before I go ahead and change it, this is how it looks right now. So here is the condition of this current one, and I am talking about these cracks, this chip and this peeling off leather. Though I still love this one, and I'll try to get this refurbished as I've told. Now let me give you another angle how it's looking. So this is another angle of this gear knob. Guys, take a last good look at it before I go ahead and replace this. Okay, so take it off. I like to pull it from this side and pull it off. Here there's supposed to be a clip that I removed earlier for the gear video, so go check that video out to know how to take this gear knob off. Now all I have to do is completely take this off and check my work out. If you have not seen my gear video, how smooth the gear shifts are now. Now this shifter needs a new boot and a new shift knob. So let's go ahead and put it. So before I put this on, I'll connect the knob with this retaining clip. This retaining clip is back on. Now this is how it looks all together. Now let's put this on. Check it out, guys. It's done and it looks so amazing. Definitely better than what it used to look. And wow, this made a whole lot of difference. Wow, I mean, for sure the camera is not doing the justice, but it actually looks so freaking new. That calls for a celebratory drive. Let's go.
We must pay homage to him.
So guys, I even changed that glove lighting, so just an update, and it feels so amazing, and it's totally worth for a while to change it from the VRS one.